sneaker that I found to perform great each and every time. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over how to predict the sneakers resale value. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. Now guys, I'm sure we've all been in this situation. We bought a sneaker, we thought it was gonna go up. We seen it not go up at first. We held it for a couple months. We was like, oh yeah, this shit gonna go up. You have belief, and then 3 months down the line, you're in the hole. $200, you lost money. I'm gonna teach you how to not make this mistake anymore, how to predict if a shoe will go for resale, how much profit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna help you guys, you know what I'm saying? So we can all win. This is what my channel is about. It's about helping. I'm trying to help you guys make money. We all gonna make money together. And thank you to these subscribers right here for showing support on the last few videos, guys. I really appreciate the support. If you do want to be featured in my next video, make sure you type in the comment section what was your favorite part about this video, and if I provided value to you at all in this video. Now guys, believe it or not, StockX is one of the best apps to predict how much a shoe will sell for, if it's even going to go for resale at all. So before a shoe even drops, probably a couple of days before, a week before, it will be on StockX, and you can already see a graph trend of how the shoe is doing because of early pairs or backdoor pairs. You can tell by this graph alone and the price alone if a shoe is going to do great on the resale market. Say a shoe retails for $160 and it's going for $300 on the resale market before the drop. You know the sneaker is going to do great because it's already going for a high price before they even drop. This doesn't mean anything because once the shoes drop, the price does unfortunately drop. So you kind of have to gauge. If it's a big gap between the retail and the resale price already a week before, you know these shoes are going to do great. But it has to be a big gap. I'm talking about 160 to 350 or at least 300, something in that range. It can't be 160 to 200 because it has no room to drop. You have no room to make profit. Now when reselling on platforms like StockX and Go, you also have to factor in the expenses of selling on their platform. They do charge a certain percentage depending on your rank, so your rank does go up the more sneakers you sell on these platforms. When you first start off, it's a 9.7% deduction in your profits when you do sell on StockX or Go, so you do want to factor that in when trying to see if you want to go for a sneaker or not. Once again, I will be showing all that on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so we can both make money together, guys. It's all about making money over here, baby. Make sure you subscribe. I will be keeping you updated with what shoes to go for each and every single week. You want to factor those prices in before even going for a shoe, before even thinking about going for a shoe, because if it doesn't have a good range to drop and still be profitable, you don't even want to go for that shoe. Guys, as long as the shoe has a good range between the retail and the resale, you're going to be good for going for that sneaker, guys. Now, another thing is you want to look at stock numbers. Stock numbers will be posted on certain Instagram pages. Certain Instagram pages do show you stock numbers of a shoe before they even drop, so you can have an idea of how limited they will be, because limited sneakers equals big money, guys, and we all want the money, you know what I'm saying? So limited sneakers equals big money. The more limited the sneaker is, the more money you're gonna make out of them. Say for example, a shoe drops and it has 21,000 stock, and if the design looks good on the sneaker, they're definitely gonna be going for some bread, guys. One sneaker that I found to perform great each and every time for the most part are Jordan 1s, you feel me? Jordan 1s for the most part go up in price gradually each time. I'm talking about each Jordan 1 for the most part, if the colorway is good. Not mids, not lows, but Jordan 1 highs. I don't know what about Jordan 1 highs that sneakerheads like so much, or just the public in general like so much, but they tend to increase in value over time, every time. So when a nice colorway of a Jordan 1 drops, you do want to get your hands on those pairs. But this isn't true for all sneakers. Some sneakers will not do good, even if the market does predict. Sometimes the results end up being the total opposite of what the public thought would happen. So you just have to be on your tippy toes about what to go for. You have to be risky with your money, but big risk do equal big reward. So as long as the risk is educated, it's an educated risk, you should be good in the long run. Now guys, if I did provide any value to you guys, or you learned something new in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section saying what was your favorite part about this video and what was the best thing you learned. And help me out in the comment section, bro. Help me out. Help me get better. Tell me what I need to work on in the comments, and I will feature you in the next video. This has been your boy, and I'm out.